Welcome you all to this usage of optional session. In previous session, we have actually discussed about optional and how can we actually manipulate, map and filter. But one thing is optional. It is still wrapped within optional. I want to take that data out because we don't want to directly use that value with optional. We want to take that out, that result, and we'll be using it. How can we take that out? Dot get. Yes, we can do it. Let's see the output. But here we are actually doing some violations. Look here. What if this is null and we'll have this and this will not execute and we'll have optional empty in this will create a null pointer exception. So we should not use this. So here it avoids null pointer and it says no such element exception. Yeah, yes. Because it's not null. It knows optional empty and you're still trying to get some element which is not available. So then how can we take that out? So optional itself means it has there are some possibility like we may not get the data. So in such cases, what we have to do? So that was the or else case comes. We can throw even an exception, but most of the cases you can apply default. Like what if this is miss or any of these thing miss, then instead of optional empty, I want some data to be generated. So we'll get a default. So here you look, this is not actually wrapped within optional. It has been taken out of optional. If I have some valid value and I have some data processed, I'll get the result of the last statement definitely here instead of default. Failing in such cases, initial or any of the middle, then I will get a default. So if you want to understand these things, better you check the previous video. Then you'll get to know these operations, which is a continuation of the previous video. And this is how we'll take that data out of optional and we can use it. Hope you understand. We'll check in the next video shortly.